Are you ready?
Yeah, yeah,
Ready, ready.
yeah, yeah.
Follow Ayola.
Comme ça.
N'a toujours qu'un
Comme ça.
Bonsoir tout le monde. Donc, je tiens à vous montrer madame mon expression haïtienne que le cas servi avec n'importe qui côté levé, qui je le cas servi avec. Donc, expression c'est mes amis oh. Ouais, mes amis oh. One word at a time. Mes amis.
Mes amis.
Oh.
Oh.
Okay, and allez.
Mes amis oh.
If someone they do something crazy, and then you're like, wow, what are they doing? You can be like, mes amis oh. Okay? Or if someone gives you a lot of food, and you're just excited about the food, same thing. Mes amis oh. You know?
Mes amis oh.
Yeah, that's it. Or you love your husband, and your husband has been doing really
Mes
good.
amis oh.
If you feel what? Mes amis oh.
Mes amis oh.
Mes amis oh. Donc, you can use it in any situation really. You just have to make sure your intonation kind of matches this to it. Allez.